Namaste. Thanks for joining us on our YouTube channel. Today we're exploring the various temples around the Kathmandu Valley, and they're really something. So some of them you like to walk to, some of them you like to take a taxi to, and some of them you might even like to take a local bus to. So follow along with us as we explore these lovely temples. We begin our flyovers on the southwest side of the Kathmandu Valley. This is one of our recommended kid-friendly spots. The Chandragiri Hill features panoramic views of the Himalayan ranges from Annapurna all the way to the Everest range. The kids will enjoy the cable car getting up to the top of the hill. Although Chandragiri has ancient roots, it's become one of the most visited retreat sites in the country for family fun. Check out our playlist for more information on each of these spots. There's nothing like enjoying the views from the ancient monkey temple in the gentle breeze on a hot day. A very important stupa for Buddhists. The views, the well taken care of grounds, and the families enjoying together make this one of my favorite UNESCO sites. There's a family park on the street level you'll really enjoy if you're traveling with children. Another great lookout spot is the Kopan Monastery. This is at the beginning of the Shivapuri National Forest, which makes a great one-day trek. There is a lovely park here, and you can inquire about services for tourists, meditation classes, and such. On this channel, we teach the ABCs of Nepal. Always be chillin'. So if you enjoy our tips, don't forget to subscribe, and as we say in Nepal, video like Garnu Hola. Boudhanath is another very important stupa for Buddhists, and the surrounding area is a treasure trove of unique bargain price souvenirs. Located in the vicinity of the airport, Boudhanath is in the heart of Kathmandu with one of the largest Buddhist communities in Nepal. If you enjoy shopping and immersing yourself in another culture, you'll really have a great time here in Boudhanath. This ancient city was once a kingdom, and I suggest you shift guest houses to stay here for at least 2 nights if you have the time. Bhaktapur has 3 squares with family-friendly things to do and some good places to eat, both local and international. There are nightclubs, but it's pretty much lights out by 10 p.m. Bhaktapur is a great place to enjoy Biscuit Jatra in April and Gai Jatra Festival if you're here in August. There is a museum and you can take pottery lessons in Pottery Square. Patan is interesting both in and around the ancient square. The surrounding tiny streets are busy with ancient crafts such as brass factories and an active textile industry. The architecture is a bit different than the other two Darbar squares, with more of an Indian influence. You'll find both Hindu and Buddhist communities living peacefully together, with merchants displaying tonka and original noir paintings, singing bowls, and other handmade brass items and interesting treasures all along the way. Check out our 360 walkabout video in Patan also. Kirtipur is in the southeast quadrant of the Kathmandu Valley and was also once a kingdom in its own right. You'll find an ancient temple here, as well as some amazing local Newari food. This is another genuine community right in the heart of the Kathmandu Valley. If you aren't a trekker or adventure sports kind of person, there is still so much you can see and do in Nepal. All of these temples can be explored by taxi.